Hello, my name is Gemma Calvert and I've been asked by Sally at Raring2go to do a little video interview. So I've got a few questions that I'm going to answer for you. So the first question is, what is your business? My business is the Fitness Factory in Stourbridge, which is a family run gym. Question number 2 is, what's the best part about your job? I find this quite a difficult question actually, because there are lots of good parts to my job. I would say the first one is that I get to do exercise as my job because I love working out and keeping fit. The second part is that it allows me to socialise. I love to be able to chat to people and have a laugh with them, and that really is encouraged in my classes and at the gym. So I would say that's probably the best part of my job, is social interaction. Question 3, what did you want to be when you were growing up? I think I wanted to do something that was fitness and sport related. From about the age of 13, I think I decided I wanted to be an aerobics instructor. If I wasn't going to do that, I wanted to do something that was related to food, because I like cooking and baking, but I also like eating it as well. Question 4, my favourite game. So my favourite game does actually have to be an activity game. So I do love board games and things like that, but exercise and outdoor games are my favourite. One of my favourite games is a children's game that I play in my kids' dance and fitness sessions, which is called Treasure Chest, which is basically where you're collecting as much treasure as possible, but the focus is on working as a team and taking it in turns. I play this game a lot in my adult classes, including club-a-size when we have parties, and everybody loves it, so it's just lots and lots of fun. Question 5, what are you most proud of? I would have to say that I am most proud of being a mummy. So I've got 2 children, Noah who's 4 and Lila who is 1, and they are a big part of obviously my life, but also my business as well. They come with me to quite a few of my morning classes, and also at the moment they're featured in a lot of my online videos while I'm working out too, and they're joining in with me. And then question 6, which is the last question, which is, what are you most looking forward to? And I am most looking forward to being able to go back to the Lake District, especially to a place called Cartmel. It is our family's special place, and it's my most favourite place in the world, and I'm missing it a lot at the moment. So they're just a few little questions that I've answered. Hope you've enjoyed my little interview. And if anybody's interested in any of my online sessions, just check out the Fitness Factory on Facebook and give us a message. Take care, stay safe, and lots of love to you all. Bye.